What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. A lot to discuss when it comes to Mystro. Some big things are getting ready to happen. And number one, I wanted to discuss a recent study that we did that took about 3 weeks to complete. And we finally got the numbers back, and we are very excited to announce that when drivers drive for Uber, Lyft, and Mystro without worrying about collecting any of the bonuses, etc., drivers averaged 30% more, meaning a 30% increase in income versus driving full-time for Uber alone while achieving bonuses, or driving full-time for Lyft alone achieving bonuses. They can just drive for Uber and Lyft with Mystro and achieve a 30% increase in income. Now, we've been waiting for these numbers to come in. We've all been very excited about it, and when the numbers showed up today, we were all absolutely thrilled because now we can officially bring this to you. Let's take a look at these graphs so you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
Whether you drive exclusively for one ride-sharing company or multiple companies, with Mystro's automation features, you'll never miss a trip you want. Mystro's efficient management system optimizes your workflow so you can accept the best paying fares and easily switch between ride-sharing platforms. And because the app may be 100% tax deductible as a business expense, it's basically free. With Mystro, you can actually drive less and make more money. These are results of a recent San Francisco study where several Uber and Lyft drivers were monitored as they drove 40 hours a week over a 3-week period. During the first week, they drove exclusively for Uber. During the second week, they drove exclusively for Lyft. On the third week, the drivers drove both Uber and Lyft using the Mystro app to manage their trips. The drivers averaged about 80 trips a week when they drove exclusively for Uber and Lyft. However, they averaged about 110 trips per week when they cut their drive time by an average of 12% when they drove for both platforms using Mystro. Even after accounting for incentives and bonuses while driving for Uber and Lyft exclusively, the drivers earned an average of 30% more money using Mystro to manage their trips. This means after using Mystro for just a few hours, it pays for itself. Get Mystro today and make more money in less time. Mystro, just drive.
Next, we're going to talk about service filters. So what are service filters? Well, this is something to be excited about, guys. Now, obviously, I'm more familiar with the Uber platform than I am with Lyft, but for those of you that are using Lyft as well as Uber, substitute Uber platforms for whatever Lyft platforms there are, okay? So we have Uber X, Uber XL, Uber SUV, Uber Lux, Uber, tons of different platforms on Uber, right? So here's what service filters do. Service filters allow you to set individual filters for each platform of Uber that you are capable of running. So let's say you're an X and XL driver. You can set individual filters for the X platform and then your own individual filters for the XL platform as well. And whenever you choose whichever platform you want, it will remember those filters that you had set. What this also means is that you could select Uber XL only and let Mystro just ignore any trip requests that are not XL trips. And like I said, this works for Lyft too, so simply substitute Uber's platforms for Lyft platforms. And this is something that I'm really excited to bring to you guys. Uber used to allow you to choose XL only, and then they took that option away. So now you're forced to take whatever comes in. So with Mystro, you can just set the filters and say, hey, I don't want to do X, I only want to take XL runs, and let Mystro handle that for you. So already we're talking about a 30% increase overall in income. We're talking about new filters that will allow you to only run on whatever platform you want, and filters that you can set for each individual platform. What else could there possibly be coming? Well, here in the near future, the website is going to be up and running. Now, you're probably like, well, wait a minute, you already have a website. Yes, we do, but there is a brand new website. This is going to be a Class A website, guys. This is going to be a really, really nice, professionally built website. It's going to be up and running in the very near future. And on top of that, the Mystro app will soon be released live as a full working application in the Google Play Store, meaning it will no longer be a beta app. Now, there's a couple things you need to understand about that. This is great news, obviously, but there are some things that I want to discuss, and that is how much is it going to cost? I've been telling you guys for a while this was going to be a subscription-based service. Now, we haven't nailed the numbers down exactly yet, so I can only give you an approximation. And the way we're wanting to work this is it will be approximately $15 per month to use the app. Or if you opt for the yearly version, you can pay $99 for a full year subscription, which obviously is the cheaper way to go. Not to worry for you really part-time people, we will still have a free version of the app. The free version will allow you 10 trips per week for absolutely free. If you drive more than that, you're going to need to get a subscription. But I've got good news for you there too. If you sign up now, or if you've already signed up as a beta user, a beta tester, you guys will get exceptional discounts. The monthly discount will be 33% if you are signed up as a beta user, or if you currently get signed up as a beta user. I urge you to get on now. The app is truly about to launch. It's coming. So get on now because I want to save you money. 33% off of the monthly subscription, 50% off of the yearly subscription. Like I said, we expect monthly to be about $15 a month, yearly to be about $99. So guys, you really need to sign up now. Even if you haven't tried the app out, just get on board, sign up so that you can get your 33% per month discount, or you can get that 50% discount per year. Now, I want you to understand, a lot of people are going, why do we have to pay for the app? I don't understand. I don't want to pay for the app. I really do want to emphasize that these people, the owners, the founders of Mystro, have worked exceptionally hard, and they've taken their own hard-earned money to build this app for you guys. Now, you guys love the app the way it is, but you've also requested that a lot of other things be done and included in this app, and we are listening, and we are going to make that happen. You guys want other rideshare services. You want other gig economy services other than just rideshare to be added to this app, and Mystro is currently working on that, and we fully anticipate bringing all of this to you guys as soon as we possibly can. Now, there are operating costs associated with running Mystro. I know that free apps are great, but the truth of the matter is developers cost money. And every time Uber or Lyft make even the slightest change to the graphical user interface, which that may seem a little technical to some of you, but basically the way you see things on the screen, the slightest change can throw off the entire Mystro app, which means developers have to be constantly on call, ready to make the application adapt to whatever changes come our way. This costs money. Developers are not cheap. So please understand there are operating costs associated with Mystro that go beyond just making one app and being done with it. The app has to constantly evolve with the rideshare and the gig economy. So we want to build this the way you want it. We want to bring this to you the way you guys want it to be done. But to do that, we have to charge. So please understand that, guys. It's $15 a month approximately, and $99 a year approximately. If you get in on this beta test now, you get 33% off per month, 50% off for the year. Guys, that's unbeatable. And there's more. All right, we're doing an ambassador program, which means for every new sign up paid subscription, monthly, you will earn $5. If you get somebody to sign up for a paid monthly subscription, you get $5. If you get a new referral signed up and paid with a yearly subscription, you get $25. So there's plenty of room here for you guys to make money on this as well by just spreading the word and spreading your code. So on top of all of that, guys, keep in mind that we did see a 30% overall increase in earnings. Can you imagine not having to chase those bonuses anymore, not having to sit there and worry about if you made the cut so that you can get your bonus this week with Uber or Lyft? Just use Uber and Lyft, let Mystro automate it for you, and you can see earnings of up to 30% over what you're making chasing those bonuses all the time. That equates to less driving, less time driving, more time making money. You make the streets safer because you let your app, Mystro, automate the experience for you. That means your hands are on the wheel, your eyes are on the road, you're focused on driving. The app is focused on managing all of your other applications for you. You make the city a safer place to drive, you make the driving experience more automated, and you can see an increase of 30% or more even in your earnings by just letting Mystro take care of it for you. Now, if that's not enough to convince you to sign up for Mystro yet, why don't we jump on over to some of the YouTube comments about the Mystro app so you guys can see what other people are saying about this wonderful app. right, guys. I don't know what more to say. People are loving the app. If you're not on board yet, please, please get on board now. It's absolutely free right now to try it out. You get a discount when it becomes paid, and you can do 10 trips a week free even after the app launches. And I'm really trying to reiterate to you guys that this app is going live very, very soon. So I urge you, get on board now so you can save some money. I want to save you guys money that you don't need to be spending unnecessarily when all you have to do is sign up for the beta app. Links are in the description. Please follow us on social media. We've got a Mystro YouTube account, Mystro Instagram, Mystro Twitter. We've got all kinds of social media accounts going on, guys, and all of the links are in the description. As always, to sign up for Mystro, go to www.mystrodriver.com and enter the promo code UMBETA1702. If you need any assistance with the app, please don't hesitate to contact us. Support@mystrodriver.com. We'll do our best to get you resolved as soon as possible. And until next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe, be safe out there, and Uber on.